Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your CVS heating pad is showing a blinking light and not heating properly, it can be confusing because the device looks like it's on, but it's not actually working. This blinking light is usually a safety indicator that something isn't right, such as a loose connection, overheating, or an internal reset condition. Many users think the heating pad is broken, but in most cases, it's simply a protective feature designed to prevent damage or unsafe use. Once you go through the correct checks, you can often get it working again without replacing it. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your CVS heating pad blinking light issue. Try these. 1. Unplug the heating pad from the power source. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the controller properly. 3. Wait a few minutes to allow the system to reset. 4. Check the pad and cord for any visible damage. 5. Lay the pad flat to avoid folds or overheating issues. 6. Plug it back in and check if the blinking light stops.